Look at Rather Bear go. Go, go, go. There we go, Bear. Woo-hoo. Look at that, no slack. She's controlling her feet really well, especially in kind of the deep flush. She's quite amazing. Not quite two yet. She's racking it. Right, Rather Bear? And what do we say when we ski, Rather? Woo-woo! Woo-woo! Good job, Rather Bear. Yeah. All right, Bear. Woo-woo! Rocking it out in kind of steep one. It's good. All right, Bear.